Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called S4S Be Mine. It is a one-wall dance, beginner friendly, only two parts, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you would like to dance to the music, I'll post it at the end of this video, and let's get it. So let's stand on this wall here, facing in this direction. So stand right here next to me, looking out this direction. So we're gonna shuffle up on the right, shuffle up on the left, then shuffle back on the right, shuffle back on the left. We're gonna do two kickball change on the right, and then we're gonna do a jazz square quarter turn to the left. That's the step we're gonna do at all four walls. So let's get it. So we're gonna shuffle up. Right, left, right, left, back, right, left, left. On the right, the last step was on the left. So we're gonna do two kickball chains on the right. Kickball, change, kickball, change. Then we're gonna do a jazz square to our left. Right, left, left. Complete that footwork. Right, left, left. That's all of part one. We're gonna do it on 4 walls. Let's do it again. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the music is up tempo. It's kind of fast. So take smaller steps, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all of part one. You're doing the same thing at all 4 walls, okay? So if you need to practice again before you go to part 2. Part 2, we're gonna slide up. Slide up right, slide up left, slide back right, slide back left. Then we're gonna fake. Right, left, half turn with a triple, right, right. Then repeat it, left, right, left. Okay, so let's put that together. So this is part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide right, slide left, back right, back left. Fake, right, left, fake, left, right, left. Each time I made a half turn, you're just coming back to this wall. You fake, go right, go left, triple, right, fake, left, right, left. Okay, so let's put it together. Sliding up for 2, sliding back for 2, fake, right, left, half right, fake, left, right, half left. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fake 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fake 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, all part of 2, we're gonna do it again. All right. So when we do it again, slide up. We just gonna roll to the back wall. We're doing a half turn. So part 2, we're gonna do at the front and the back wall. Part 1, we did at all 4 walls. Part 2, we're going to do at the front and the back wall. So we slide up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the right shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you kind of roll into the back wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this back wall, what you're going to do, you're going to repeat part 2. All of part 2. Slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fake 1, 2, right, 3, and 4. Fake left, right. Slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, roll forward. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We back at the front. It's a one wall dance. Then we go back to the top. We shuffle up. Okay? So part 2 kind of has a A and a B. Okay? And you're doing at both walls, coming back to the front wall. Then start the dance over again. So let's put the entire dance together. Okay? Starting with the shuffle. 5, 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, back 3, up 4, back 5 and 6, 7, 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, up 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, up 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, slide up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, half 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fake 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fake 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And as you see, we back at our original wall. It's a one wall dance. And the dance starts over with the shuffle. So whatever wall you come back to determines if it's a 1 or 2 wall. If we have been facing this wall and we have to go back to the top, it would be a 2 wall dance. If, say for instance, if we started the dance here, then we started here, then we started the dance here, then the dance here would have been a 4 wall dance. So whenever you go back to the top of the dance, depending on what wall you're at, determines if it's a 1 wall, a 2 wall, or 4 wall dance, okay? That is called S4S B minds. Make sure you check out the demo, Let's Dance Together. Share this video, like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Why you haven't just subscribe? That is S4S B minds. My name, Be Mine. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.